Constant rate of change. The distance from San Antonio to Houston is 198 miles. Mr. Sanchez drove in a Mustang for 1.23 hours, and his wife drove for 2.07 hours of the trip. What was their average speed in miles per hour? So, because it is saying there, I must combine both of their times. So, I'm going to go ahead and do that first. 1.23 plus 2.07, and that gives me 3.30. So that's the total time they spent driving, right? So I'm going to go ahead and use the words told find strategy for this just to make sure I have everything set up correctly because there are a lot of numbers and a lot of words. So let's focus on the words first. I'm doing miles per hour. So I'm going to write the word miles up here first, and I'll write the word hours down here. Okay, so they told you that he drove for one, or they drove total of 198 miles, and it took them a total of 3.3 hours. So I'll put that. And what I want to find is that constant rate of change, how many miles. So I'll put an X right here because I don't know how many miles per, I'll put the number 1 here, per 1 hour. How many miles per hour? What was their speed? What was that rate that they were driving? Just the average speed. So now that I have it all nicely set up, I know I can't go wrong here. So we got to cross multiply. 198 times 1 is just going to be 198. Then I'm going to divide that by 3.3 just for the sake of time of this video. I'm not going to work the whole problem out. So let's just keep in mind it's 198 divided by 3.3, and that will give you exactly 60. So let's put some words back in there. So X means miles, right? So 60 miles, and we're going to put the word per hour. Make sure you have both of these words. 60 miles per hour. That's the rate. That was the constant rate of change.